everything that's happening and current events, the use of webcam has increased rapidly, which has caused an alarming increase in camfecting. Camfecting is when hackers take control of your camera without your permission. Hackers can turn on your camera without your knowledge and watch you and your loved ones when you're not using your camera. To avoid becoming a victim of camfecting, follow these 3 simple tips. Number 3. When FaceTiming, choose a solid background free from any identifiable object, name, or people. Number 2. Turn your computer and/or devices off when you're not using them. Number 1. Invest in buying a webcam cover which will cover your webcam lens or device camera when you're not using it. Using these tips will minimize your chance to be a victim of camfecting. Share this message to raise awareness and help others to safeguard themselves against hackers.